If you're an insurance broker and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that. Build a simple website for your insurance broker business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to at the top is to search for your market or your templates. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, insurance broker. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my details, city and state region, and it doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally taken a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. As you can see, they're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images potentially that you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline, of course. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Click on the first section. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box so it is visible to my customers. Great, let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, and our address, our physical location. If you have one, pop it in over here. Great thing about it is when your customers click on that address, will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under the next section, update social links, is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo for your business, head on over to the next section, browse your device to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Excellent. Now with MultiSites, we pre-selected the colors as well. If you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, maybe you use different colors on your logo, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, it's super simple. Click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device if you have some of your own images, or you can search through that photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use, high quality. Otherwise, you have the option to connect your Instagram account and automatically pull in all those images if you have a profile. Under update actions, where you can change the button, the text, where all the buttons are linked to, and choose the link and link to another website, as well as uploading a PDF file if you wish to. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom that says connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you'd really like to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, you have the option to click that button and purchase one as well through our platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your insurance broker service or business, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.